In a major policy shift, the UK government is preparing to tighten its immigration system in 2025. These reforms come amid rising public pressure over housing shortages, strain on public services, and growing concerns about rapid population growth. Critics warn that these changes could force millions of temporary residents, and even some long-term migrants, to leave the country. In today's video, we break down the new rules, why they're happening, and who is most affected. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Number 1. A new immigration landscape. For decades, the UK positioned itself as a global hub for talent and opportunity. But public sentiment has shifted dramatically. Record high net migration, rising rents, and overcrowded public services have led to widespread demands for tighter control. Key pressures include housing crisis, soaring demand versus limited supply, strained public services, NHS, schools, and transport under pressure, social integration concerns, rapid demographic changes in certain regions. In response, the government is moving from an open-door approach to a more selective, controlled system. Critics argue the cuts may not only limit new arrivals, but also leave many existing migrants without a path to stay. Number 2. Sharp reduction in permanent residence targets. One of the biggest changes is the significant cut in annual permanent residency allocations. New targets. Why the cuts? Reduced pressure on housing. Manage public service capacity. Address voter concerns. Prime Minister Keir Starmer says the goal is a controlled, sustainable system. Impact on migrants. Competition for ILR will become intense. Many temporary residents, skilled workers, students, and asylum seekers may find their routes to permanency blocked. This could eventually force thousands to leave. Number 3. Major reductions in temporary residents. The government also aims to lower the share of temporary migrants from 7% to 5% of the population. Temporary arrivals target 2025 to 673,650. How will they achieve this? Caps on student visas. Stricter work visa criteria. Stronger employer compliance checks. Full transition to digital visa monitoring. For many, this means that once their temporary visa expires, their only option may be to leave. Number 4. Overhaul of sponsor license rules. Employers sponsoring foreign workers will face tougher regulations. Key changes, effective the 31st of December 2024. Employers can no longer charge workers for Certificate of Sponsorship (CUS) fees. Sponsor license fees. Immigration skills charge. Violations could result in license revocation and heavy fines. While these rules protect workers, they also raise costs for businesses, potentially reducing the number of skilled migrants brought into the UK. Number 5. Automatic upgrade from pre-settled to settled status. Millions of EU nationals will benefit from automatic conversion to settled status, no application required. Benefits. Simpler and faster transition. Reduced bureaucracy. Concerns. Possible data errors. Vulnerable individuals may struggle. Risk of digital-only mistakes, a digital windrush risk. Number 6. Stricter, good character, rules for citizenship. Starting the 10th of February 2025, the new rules mean anyone who entered the UK illegally may be refused citizenship. Those who arrived via dangerous routes, e.g., small boats, will normally be rejected. Even individuals with ILR or refugee status may be permanently barred from naturalization. This has raised strong criticism from refugee support groups. Number 7. The digital immigration revolution, eVisas. The UK is moving to a fully digital immigration system. Key points. eVisas replace physical BRP cards. Link to a UKVI online account. Mandatory registration by the 31st of March 2025. Risks. Technical glitches. Lack of physical proof may cause job and rental issues. Elderly and digitally inexperienced migrants may struggle. Number 8. Tougher border security and enforcement. The government is increasing enforcement against illegal migration and unauthorized working. Measures include thousands of business raids, nearly 4,000 arrests in 1 year, new anti-people smuggling laws, counter-terrorism style powers under the 2025 bill. Asylum seekers who entered illegally may now never qualify for citizenship, even if granted asylum. Number 9. Conservative Party proposals, even stricter rules. If the Conservatives return to power, immigration could tighten even further. Proposed changes. ILR after 10 years, citizenship after 15 years. A. Net contribution test, no ILR for anyone who accessed public benefits. Criminal record equals automatic disqualification. Permanent bans for irregular arrivals. A legally binding cap on net migration. Critics warn these changes would severely restrict long-term settlement. Number 10. Who will be most affected? Temporary migrants. International students. Temporary workers. Short-term visa holders. Many may lose pathways to ILR and be forced to leave after visa expiry. Asylum seekers. Illegal entry equals permanent bar on citizenship. Many may live indefinitely without full rights. Skilled workers. Higher employer costs. Fewer sponsorship opportunities. Tougher ILR requirements. Conclusion. The UK's immigration system in 2025 represents one of the largest overhauls in decades. With sharp cuts to residency pathways, tougher compliance rules, digital-only systems, and stricter citizenship requirements, millions of migrants may find their future in the UK uncertain. Some see this as necessary reform. Others see it as a humanitarian and economic risk. What do you think? Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more updates on global travel and immigration. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.